Hello dear students, welcome to Sri Ganga Tutorials. In this session, I'm going to discuss about most important question for NEET examination from the chapter Microbes in Human Welfare. Let's discuss one by one. See carefully, read the first question. Which of the following microbe is used in the production of citric acid? As you know that citric acid is a chemical produced from the fungus. Among all these options, Aspergillus niger is a fungus and which produces citric acid. And here, lactose bacillus is a bacterium which produces lactic acid which convert milk into curd. And streptokinase is also a bacterium which produce an enzyme called streptokinase will be used as a clot buster. And here, in the last option, Acetobacter aceti will also a bacteria will produce a chemical called acetic acid. So with respect to the question, first option is the right one. Why? Because Aspergillus niger will produce a citric acid. Okay, so then come to the second question. Read carefully. Which of the following is used as a biofertilizer? As we know that biofertilizer means, see, there is a vast difference between fertilizer and as well as a biofertilizer. Fertilizer means is a chemical which enrich the nutrient quality of the soil, but the biofertilizer is quite different from that. Here the living microorganisms will enrich the nutrient quality of the soil, hence they are known as a biofertilizer. Among all these options, Rhizobium bacterium is a free living bacteria in the soil. If they infect to the roots of the leguminous plants, they start fixing the nitrogen. So it will preferably increases the nutrient of the soil by increasing the nitrogen content. Okay, and here Streptomyces will mainly produces an antibiotic called streptomycin, and as well as a trichoderma species will be act as an bio control agent. Why? Because it will prevent the disease causing pathogens in the root ecosystem. And here Clostridium butylicum will mainly produce a chemical called butyric acid. So in these options, Rhizobium bacteria will be used as a biofertilizer. Okay, and then in the third question, an antibiotic streptomycin is obtained from. So here the antibiotic streptomycin is mainly obtained from the species called Streptomyces griseus. Okay, and here in the next question, in the fourth one, which of the following microbe is used in the production of baker's yeast? As you know that Saccharomyces cerevisiae will be used as a baker's yeast and as well as a brewer's yeast. Okay, so here Saccharomyces cerevisiae will be used as a baker's yeast for the preparation of baker's items and as well as will be used as a production of ethanol. So hence in the breweries industries, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, it is an yeast belong to the kingdom fungi. So they use it as a baker's yeast and as well as a brewer's yeast. Okay, and then come to the last one here. Vaccines produced using which of the following microbes? So as you know that vaccines are nothing but they are the chemicals which contains an inactivated bacteria or viruses, and they are known as attenuated bacteria. So here they will harm very less or they will never causes a disease. So in the first option they given dead or attenuated bacteria. So dead or they will also not causes any diseases, or attenuated means they will alive, they are alive, but they do not causes any diseases. That means they are weakened bacteria, so they are used for the preparation of vaccines here. And here usually fungi, viruses and as well as protozoans, as you know that viruses also involved in the preparation of vaccines, but not living viruses. So if they attenuated, then they are eligible for preparation of a vaccine. So dead or attenuated bacteria, they are mainly preferable for the preparation of vaccines. Okay, right. So in the next session I will discuss most important questions for NEET examination. So wait and subscribe for the channel to get more important questions for your NEET examinations. Okay, thank you.